Okay, hey guys, so really quick, I want to show you the newest kind of pen that came out, and it's the motorcycle pen, and this isn't specially made for anyone. This is just one my grandpa made, but so if you look on the front, if you can see that the front part, the big black front part, that is like the head of a bird or something. I'm not really sure what type of bird. I think it's a bird. I don't know, I'm not really sure, but see, there's like an eye, and then it looks like a beak right here. Let me just take a look at it. Yeah, I think it is a bird, or I'm not really sure what it is. And then and then around it, the little silver part, it actually has words on it. I think it says "Live free, ride." Oh, okay, so it says "Live free, ride hard" around it. But yeah, like I said, this isn't specially made for anyone. I will be making one of these pretty soon. But for the clip, you got, so instead of like a rifle, you have a, like the exhaust pipes of the motorcycle. And then, instead of the bolt action, you have the little Kickstarter. So you just push it down, slide it over, and there you go, there's your pen. So this is just the new one. So I thought I might show you. And then Garrett's pen is actually coming along pretty good. I think I might make that in tomorrow. So yeah.